So yeah, let me walk this way so you can see. Hello, everybody. It's gorgeous, right? So there's like a morning community here, right? Humans and animals. Actually, there are a lot of birds, obviously, that are fishing. You can see the dolphins when the water is a kind of calmer. And one time I saw a shark, which was super fun. It was in a knee-high water. A lot of pelicans that dive vertically, which is pretty cool to watch. I always thought. And then all kinds of birds, seagulls, snowy grits, pelicans, herons, blue herons, and and you can see Masal is like, I want nothing. Masal, come say hi, honey. What you doing? We should do a meditation session, Masal. What do you think? Hey guys, welcome, welcome. So good to see you. Good morning. It's 7:24 a.m. here in Florida, and we try to catch the sunrise so we can just